Hello and welcome to That's Not a Bad Idea video series. My name's Dale and we're going to make a sanding disc out of some supplies that you can get at the hardware store. What I'm using here is a 10-inch masonry cutoff wheel. You can find this for a few dollars at any hardware store. You'll also want to pick up a can of spray lacquer. Any type should do. The back of the cutoff wheel is kind of porous, so you're going to spray the lacquer on the back of that and fill in all the pores. If you have a heat gun at your disposal, you can speed this up a bit. You should probably put down 2-3 coats of lacquer to smooth it all out. Once the lacquer is nice and dry, take a 12 by 18 sheet of sanding paper and cut it down to size. This one is 120 grit. You can get this size paper from a rental shop. It's used for floor sanders. It's sticky backed, so it's easy to apply to the back of the cutoff wheel. Now all you have to do is trim off the edges and cut out the hole in the center. And once you take the blade off of your table saw, you can install the sanding disc. And as you can see, it works like a champ. Have fun, be safe, and thanks for watching. Remember, you can listen to our podcasts at mudcluckers.com.